Hola estudiantes y bienvenidos a la clase de español. This lesson is for the week of October 19th. Estudiantes, if you came to class today, you do not need to watch this video again. You can if you want to go over the material again. Let's get started. Okay, so same as last time, we are going to remember los días de la semana, the days of the week, and we're going to do that by practicing with this special song, okay? So remember, you can sing along. The words are on the video, and you can also snap your fingers.
Siete días, 7 días en la semana, domingo y lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves y viernes, y el sábado. 7 días, 7 días, 7 días en la semana, domingo y lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves y viernes, y el sábado. 7 días, 7 días, 7 días, 7 días en la semana.
Awesome, beautiful. Okay, now for our activity, nuestra actividad, okay? So I want you to help me fill in the blanks, okay? Hoy es, ¿qué día es hoy? What day is today? Hoy es jueves. Go ahead and practice typing that in your chat box or writing it down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. Hoy es jueves. Now use your voice and say it out loud. Hoy es jueves. Let's try another one. Mañana es. ¿Qué día es mañana? What day is mañana? Tomorrow. Muy bien, viernes. Write it down, type it in the chat box. Mañana es viernes. Now use your words to say it out loud. Mañana es viernes. Muy bien, let's do one more. Ayer fue. Ayer fue. ¿Qué día fue ayer? Ayer fue miércoles. Muy bien. Type it in the chat box. Write it down. Ayer fue miércoles. Yesterday was miércoles. Say it out loud. Muy bien. You can also practice writing the other días de la semana, okay? We're going to be doing that next week, writing all of the días. Let's keep going. Okay, so let's look at our schedule, nuestro horario. Today, we will learn new words about la comida and practice writing them. Beautiful. Then we will look at our tarea on Seesaw. After, we will play un juego together. And the last thing that we'll do is we will talk about a special evento. Okay, so I have some new words, some old words, okay? And I'm gonna be needing your help. Okay, for this part, I do also want you to put it in the chat box. And I also want you to write it in a notebook if that's better for you. So how do you say carrot in Espanol? You should remember this one because we've been practicing it a lot. La zanahoria. Muy bien. Let's practice another one that we know already because we had this 2 weeks ago. How do you say egg in Espanol? El huevo, el huevo. Muy bien. Very good. Write it down, please. Okay, how about the apple? The apple. How do you say apple in Espanol? I think this might be a new one for us. La manzana. manzana. Say it out loud, la manzana. Okay, for all of these, I want you to say them out loud and I want you to practice writing them, okay? La manzana. What about salt? The salt. How do you say salt in Espanol? That's an easy one because it sounds so much like the English version. La sal. La sal, muy bien. What about the milk? This one we know already. We practiced it already. La leche. Muy bien. And we practiced the strawberry. Tell me again, how do you say strawberry in Espanol? La fresa. Very good. And we practiced tomato. How do you say tomato? It sounds so much like the English version. Tomato is el tomate. Very good. Oranges. We practiced this last week. And it's the same as the color. Las naranjas. Okay, what about corn? There's a couple of words for corn that we talked about. One of them, el elote, or you can say el maíz, okay? Very good. Now for some new ones, okay? Estudiantes, how do you say chicken in español? El pollo, with two L's, just like that. Very good, muy bien. How about French fries? Ooh, I love French fries. French fries, las papas fritas. Las papas fritas. Say it out loud. Las papas fritas. What about, how do you say toast? Toast. El pan tostado, which translate to the toasted bread. You say, you don't just say toast in Espanol, you say el pan tostado. Beautiful, estudiantes. Okay, so you will have this for homework. Let me show you. Oh, don't peek yet. Okay. So for homework, just like other weeks, okay, you're going to be matching the words, okay? Matching the words, dragging the words to the picture. Try your best. You have been rocking at this, okay? Okay, vamos a jugar un juego. We're going to play a game now. And for this game, you can use your whiteboard or put it in the chat box, okay? So for this game, you're going to look at the picture. You're not going to call out the answer. You're going to write down your answer in the chat box or on your whiteboard. The egg, is the egg el huevo or is it el maíz? Write down your answer. If you're watching this at home, you can show an adult or another person in your home your answer. Okay, and what is the answer? You can call it out now. El huevo, muy bien. Let's do another one. Okay, what about the toast? Is it el pollo or el pan tostado? Write down your answer and show it to somebody. And the answer is what? Call it out. El pan tostado, very, very good. Okay, let's do another one. What about this one? Is it el tomate or is it el tocino? El tomate or el tocino. Write it down, put it in the chat box. Which one is it? When you have the answer, call it out. El tocino, muy bien. What about this one? Los panqueques or la galleta. What is the answer? Write it down. Show it to somebody at home. Muy bien, la galleta. Perfect. Okie dokie artichoke, I hope you like this game. Now let's talk about a special event coming up next week, okay? So if you celebrate Halloween, if you are available the day of Halloween, you can come to EPAX in your car. Wear your costume, wear your mask. We have some treats for you, okay, estudiantes? Also, tell your parents to check their parent square. because I sent 2 messages. One is for Dia de los Muertos virtual events, okay? We're going to be watching Coco together, and we're going to be making a special art activity. So if you want to be part of that, and if it's okay with the adults in your house, tell them to sign you up. Also, the special teachers and I have been planning some extra fun classes for you. Tell the adults in your home to check Parent Square and to read you all the classes that we're offering because we want you to be there, okay? We want to see you more and more and more. Okay, estudiantes, have a beautiful week. Take care. See you tomorrow for game time. Adios.